Check these out. Today I'm going to show you how to make these Quicksicles. It's orange juice and a strawberry puree. It's easy to make in our Quickcicle maker. These will make popsicles in about 6 to 9 minutes, and they're great to make with your kids. You'll know exactly what your ingredients are, and it's a super fun activity. Let's take a look. Let's start by preparing our strawberry layer. You can use your manual food processor, or I'm going to use the twist and chop. And I'm going to add 4 ounces of strawberries. This is going to give me extra, so I have enough for a double batch. I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of water and a tablespoon of honey. If you prefer to skip the sweetener, you can, or you can use some maple syrup. Just going to add that all in there. And you can scrape out your spoon. This is super fast. Watch this puree. And think about all the things you could use the puree for. You see how it's moving up and down? There we go. It's almost like a liquid. It's going to be perfect for our Quicksicles. See how smooth that is? Now, to make it easy to pour into our Quickcicle mold, I'm just going to dump it into a silicone container that I can fold. The Quickcicle maker is where all of the magic happens. You're going to make sure that this is frozen solid. You need to keep it in the freezer for at least 24 hours before you plan to use it. I recommend you just keep it in your freezer all the time so you can go anytime you want to. And your freezer needs to be at 0 degrees. Now, my freezer in the garage does not get that low, but my freezer in the kitchen does. So that is the key for success with this product or our frozen drink cup and our ice cream maker as well. So put your sticks in there first, and then you need to add about 1 ounce to 1.5 ounces of the orange first. So I like to measure it with the Measure-All cup, the Easy Read measuring cup, just to make sure I have the proper amount for each of the wells. Because you can't see what you've got in there. And these make them easy to pour. Okay, we're gonna let this layer set up for a little bit before we add the strawberry layer. It's been about 4 minutes, so that first layer is set, and now it's time to add the strawberry. So you're gonna see there's a fill line. You don't wanna go above that. And we'll pour on both sides. Some other things that I like to make with the Quickcicle maker are fudgesicles. I just do it with Nutella and chocolate almond milk. It's so easy, and it tastes just like a fudgesicle. You can do a variety of fruits. You could do just some yogurt. You just can't do things that are with artificial sweeteners, but any juice will be fine. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that all of those gaps are filled. You can kind of see. So we wait about 6 minutes, and these will be ready to pop out. Once they're frozen solid, you're gonna take the key and you're going to release it. You'll turn until it's kind of firm, and then it kind of starts spinning freely. Reverse it, and they come right out.